trust begins. The will aligns with something greater than effort drawn from within. What once resisted every turn now listens and allows. The heart releases its demand and learns what guides it now. Through devotion, union opens between the self and source. No struggle left to shape the way, no need to force the course. When the smaller will surrenders to wisdom deep and true, a calm awareness settles in and shows what spirit knew. Awareness gently turns within, away from noise and strain. Attention gathers at the center, where clarity remains. The mind grows still yet fully awake, no fading, no retreat. Alert within a deeper calm, where soul and purpose meet. Through devotion, union opens between the self and source. No struggle left to shape the way, no need to force the course. When the smaller will surrenders to wisdom deep and true, a calm awareness settles in and shows what spirit knew. From mind to soul, the current moves in harmony and grace. The brain receives a higher light that thought alone cannot replace. In perfect alignment, knowing flows beyond all doubt or name. Reality reveals itself without distortion or claim. In devotion, consciousness rests within a sacred state, where soul and mind and form unite and nothing pulls or waits. What is perceived is carried back into the waking day, as insight shaped for conscious life to guide the human.